In this video, I show you how to add a logo to your Brevo email campaigns. First, log into your Brevo account and go to the Campaigns tab. Click Create a Campaign. Choose your campaign type, name it, and set your sender info. Next, customize your campaign. Pick your recipients, write a subject line, and move to the design section. You can use a template or create a design from scratch. For this tutorial, we'll use the drag and drop editor. Inside the editor, find the image block where you want your logo to appear. Click Replace and either upload a new logo from your computer or select one from your content library. Once your logo is in place, review your email design and save your changes. Finally, send a test email to yourself to ensure the logo displays correctly. And that's it. Your email campaign now features your logo, making it look professional and branded. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Brevo tips.